Shalom and welcome to Torah. This year is entitled, Do We Say Safaik L'chumra by Techelet? This is part 2. In the previous year we said that according to Rav Sternbach, we do not say Safaik L'chumra. Rav Sternbach writes in Shuvov on a goat, Chelik Aleph, Siman Chavav, the end of the tshuva, he says that the Rosina told everyone, listen, I'm sure about it. You're not, so you should do it as Safek. I'm doing because I'm sure. This is the mitzvah of tzitzis, of Techelet. You're not. Safek L'chumra. And Rosh Hashanah quoted the Soloveitchiks as saying that, no. Safek L'chumra means I go ahead, and I'm in Safek, do I have to do the mitzvah or not? And then when I do the deed out of Safek, I know I'm doing the mitzvah in the right way. But by Techelet, I'll do the Rosina's Rabbi's way, and I'm still in Safek. Maybe it's the right way, maybe it's the wrong way. That is not the application of the Safek L'chumra. Rav Hershel Schechter, he says that's not a simple thing to say. Why? Because he gives an example. He gives an example of Chosukah by Lulav. First on the first day, he didn't do Lulav. Why you face me? It's a mitzvah d'oraisa on the first day. And it's Shkia. So Shkia means the day may be over, maybe it's not over. And Rav Shechter says, what is Shulchan Aruch Paskin? To go ahead and do the lulav. But wait a second. It's after Shkia. Maybe I'm getting the mitzvah. Maybe not. So Rav Shechter says, what do we see from here? That something to doesn't mean I'll be mach, but I'll do the mitzvah only when I'm 100% sure I'm going to get the mitzvah right. Not true. I'm doing it after Shkia. I may or may not get it right. And therefore, something to means that when I'm in Safek about mitzvah, I should try my best to fulfill the mitzvah. I have to be machmir in pursuing the mitzvah. And it might mean when I go ahead and have a big matzah where I'm sure I'm going to get the mitzvah. It means when I'm benching, when for sure I'm going to do the benching when I'm in a state of Safek, whether I bench the first time. Now when I do the mitzvah benching, I'm doing the mitzvah benching. It also means a case where even I'm not sure what I'm doing now. I don't know if I'm getting the mitzvah of lulav. It's after Shkia. Shkia may still be part of that day, or maybe it's over. And tzitzis, maybe I'm getting the blue tzitzis right with this specific squid or whatever it may be, and maybe I'm getting it wrong. But it's my obligation to do my best. That's how Rav Shechter understands that it would apply, and Razina Mustam understands it as well, because he was telling people do it because it's even though he knew it's not 100% sure. And certainly according to their version, they don't know if they're going to really be getting it right yet, but do it out of Safek. So we have two approaches in some about Safaik L'chumra. Is it only when I'm going to be machmir, when I'm being machmir, I know I'm doing the right ma'aseh mitzvah? Or no, I have to be machmir to try my best to get the ma'aseh mitzvah. It means even if it's after Shkia by the lulav, and even if it's a blue, which some accept and some reject, but that's my best, that act that I can do in my state of Safek. Shalom.